First of all, welcome to the course. As you probably know, in this set of lessons, I'll teach you everything you need to know to make a living by creating YouTube videos. I've been creating content for YouTube for years, and it's been a very interesting journey. It's taken me a long time and a lot of work to finally achieve a point where I could make a living from YouTube. But after you finish this course, it should take you a fraction of that time to start making some serious cash from your YouTube videos. Because I will help you, and there was no one to help me when I was starting out. That's why it took me a significant amount of time, work, and research to succeed. I've learned a lot and have made a lot of mistakes. In the course, I'll share my knowledge with you, as well as make sure you don't make any mistakes that I have. Now that you know it's possible to make YouTube videos for a living, you might be thinking, why should I work for YouTube instead of getting a regular job? Well, there are many advantages of turning YouTube into a steady income as opposed to any other profession. In fact, the benefits outweigh almost any other job that is available right now. In this section, I'm going to convince you why creating YouTube videos is better than doing anything else. Of course, the reasoning will be very subjective, but I'm almost certain that you are going to agree with me on the points I'm going to make. I really hope you enjoy the following lessons. If you have any questions at all throughout the course, do not hesitate to ask. I am more than happy to help you. So without further ado, let's start.